Daddy?
Yes. What time is it?
It's 2 a.m. The concert's over and my car won't start.
Are you safe?
Yes, there's plenty of people in the parking lot.
That's a relief.
Daddy, what do I do?
Let me get your mother up. Margaret, June is stuck at the concert.
What? I knew she shouldn't have gone. Is she safe? What's gone wrong?
She's fine, but her car won't start.
Let me call my brother. He knows cars. Fred, wake up! June's car won't start.
I told you not to buy that car. They're notoriously unreliable.
There's no time for that. What do we do?
Well, ask her when she last had it serviced.
She says 30 days ago.
Did they check the battery?
She doesn't know.
June, I put jumper cables in your trunk.
Okay, but I have a lot of stuff in the trunk.
That doesn't matter. Get the cables and find someone to give you a jump.
Wait, did they clean the battery posts and connectors?
She doesn't know that either.
Have her look for corrosion.
Well, she says she doesn't see anything.
The jump didn't work.
She says the jump didn't work.
Nothing left but to call roadside assistance.
How will I get home?
I'll come and get you. Keep your phone on.
Daddy, what do I do?
Well, let me ask you a few questions. What happens when you try to start the car?
Nothing.
Well, what do you mean by nothing? No engine sound? No lights? No fans?
There's no engine sounds, but the dashboard lights do come on.
Okay, so you have battery power.
Yeah. So what do I do?
Well, check the gear shifter. Is it fully in park?
Oh, no it wasn't. Now it is.
Give it a start.
It started. Thank you. I love you. I'm on my way home.
Love you too. See you in the morning.